Becoming a Chesapeake Gateway Network Site brings us clout as a destination for people to come and experience nature. And it gives us the visibility and the awareness, which is something that's been difficult for a place that was cut off for so long from people even knowing it was here. Masonville Cove helps to shape the next generation of environmental stewards by providing experiences that make nature not scary, that make nature fun, that make nature appealing and exciting to folks that haven't really had that exposure before.
The best way to kind of invest in the future is through kids, and so seeing things through their eyes, being able to use their senses to look at things, hear things, touch things. It's a really interactive experience, so I think that's really important for guests, honestly, of all ages, but we're here to expose our kids to conservation.
It's an absolute community here. I think that it's a beautiful partnership of a multitude of organizations around the city who have came together to just house programs that community members can get involved with in order to be able to learn more about the environment. The programming, the nature-based programming, the peace in nature, having access to the trails, even having access to the shoreline is very essential. You know, it creates a space where communities can come, where community members can come and be able to get a bit of tranquility, of paradise in the middle of the city.